What's up everybody, it's your girl Coco Nicole and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Coco Nicole. I'm cool, I'm funny, I'm fashionable. I like to have a good time, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I guarantee you that it is fun here. So in this video, I am going to be unboxing my brand new Large Glamaholic Flap Bag, y'all. I'm also going to be showing you guys my current collection that I have of Glamaholic Lifestyle. A little bit about Glamaholic Lifestyle. It is described as an affordable luxury brand, and the owner, her name is Neewer. She is a black woman from Detroit, and I am also a black woman from Detroit. So when I had found out about her brand, I was super duper excited. I've always have been into bags and purses and accessories, and I've been shopping Glamaholic maybe for like the past 2 years. So within just 2 years, I gathered up a pretty good collection. I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a look at my current collection. My collection is pretty heavy on pink. You know, that is like my favorite color. So first right here, I got my hot pink bucket bag. Oh, I don't know if this was the first. This is one of the first items that I had picked up from the collection. My medium hot pink bucket bag. I have also my hot pink travel set. I had actually used the duffel for the very first time when we had went up to Mackinac Island, and I love it. Super duper durable. I taken my tote to Atlanta, and everything went well. You know, everything is still intact, no rips or anything like that. And just recently she dropped the luggage tags. Look how cute this is, y'all. It's super duper big. Put your name, your address, everything on there. You can put it on your duffel or on your tote. Love that. Got this for Christmas from the hubby. I purchased a travel set myself. So I had bought a silver tote for my mom for Christmas. I loved it so much. I think I bought myself one maybe like a year later. I love the hot pink interior. You know, the contrast is really giving. Love the metallics. So right here are two of my toiletry items. I have the whole set, you guys. Of the whole 3-piece toiletry set in the metallic pink. Love it. I use them when I'm at home because they're like too pretty to put away. I travel with them to Atlanta. They're super duper convenient. I love them. Very spacious. I also have the cosmetic pouch, you guys. I think that I had left it upstairs. I'll try to go back up and grab it, but I have the matching cosmetic pouch as well. Like I said, I use that. I keep it in use. This is my travel wallet. I also got this in the metallic pink, and then the passport cover. Love this. I got my passport and everything in here. And then the travel wallet is so clutch, you guys. Like, I cannot like travel without this. She's got the slots for like your money, tickets, passport, and documents. And then it's got like a zip in here where you can put like some loose change. Super duper clutch and genius for traveling. Definitely highly recommend. So I have the compact silver wallet, and I have the compact card holder, or I just have like the card holder in silver as well. And then I have the same compact wallet in black, and I have the card holder in black as well. I'm pretty sure that I got both of these sets when they were 50% off. And here is my standard gunmetal wallet on a chain. And then I'm going out for happy hour with my friend after this. And I feel like every time I film a video, usually I'm like about to go out or something like that, but I just said that to say that I think I'm gonna wear this tonight. It's got a bunch of card slots in here. Oh yeah, this is genuine leather. Most of her bags are vegan leather. purse right here is genuine leather. It's really soft. It smells good. And I think I've worn this in one of my hauls before. But I think I'm going to be wearing this tonight. I just say that also say that I'm going to be wearing it tonight. So I got the mini brown bucket bag right here. And this does match, but the hardware is brown. And the hardware on my outfit is silver. I'm just kind of, you know, nitpicky like that. Right here I have the jewelry case. I got this from my hubby for Christmas. Haven't really had the chance to play around with it yet, but it's really big. It's a pretty good size. Let me put the this is what it looks like in comparison to the large cosmetic bag. So it's a pretty good size. Have not used it yet, but it feels it's like kind of hard and well made, and then it comes with like a lock so that you can lock it if you want to travel with it. Has more space at the bottom. Super cool. Can't wait to use it. And I probably will treat this like with my toiletry bags. I probably will use it, you know, until I go somewhere. And right here, my super sweet sisters in love gifted me with the mini red backpack for my birthday this year, and I love it. I was wearing it all July, you know, because it was giving like 4th of July vibes. And I'll just put it on really quick. It's so funny, I got on 2 bags, you guys. I should make this the thumbnail, but it's really cute on, cute for travel, going to the mall, anything like that. This video isn't going to be too long, but I have a dad hat. This was a free with purchase item. I have the wristlet. This was also free with purchase. And I have a, I want to call it a skull cap or like a beanie. I have a beanie. This was a free with purchase item. I think this year it was free with purchase. Oh, I don't want to mess up my hair. But it's really cute and soft. I don't know if this is still available, so I'm sorry about that. Got this year for Christmas from my handsome, wonderful husband. I have the large nylon hot pink backpack. I'm going to a pajama party tomorrow. One of my other friends is throwing, so I think I want to wear this and put like my stuff in here, and then you know, I can change like when I get there. Oh yeah, in case people are wondering, I'll put the other hot pink next to it. They look pretty much the same. Maybe this one is maybe like a hush lighter, but I was wondering this myself, if the backpack was gonna be the same as like the vegan leather items. Oh, I didn't mean to hit you, but I was wondering if the nylon was gonna look the same as the vegan leather, and it looks pretty close. But I choked up. Pretty sure I'm gonna be wearing this tomorrow. Got the OG fanny pack. I believe the fanny pack is one of the very first items that she had came out with, the founder. And she's got like a couple of different designs now, and I do want to say that this is the first item that I had picked up from Glamaholic Lifestyle. And I keep everything in the dust bag, so I keep everything in good condition. This is like 2 years old. It still looks like new. It's real adjustable. Ooh, you can put it over your chest like that. Some people wear it like that. You can put it behind your back if you don't want it all on your chest. And of course you can put it around your waist. It's supposed to fit up to like a 3X or something like that. Almost done, you guys. I think I'm almost done. I know I didn't show you guys the pouch, but this is, I also worn this before on my channel. This is the large silk scarf. It is 100% silk. I wear this, I get my wear out of my stuff. I wear this to bed. I mean, I put this over like my braids, over like my natural hair. I wear it out. All you gotta do is just, you know, wash it and stuff like that. But I also have it in silver. This was a gift from the hubby. This is the medium size though. This is the medium. So what I'm carrying right now is my mirror light pink glam tote. And this was also a gift from the hubby. Oh my God. Sometimes he's like, oh my God, you know, I'm so tired of this Mia Ray girl. You know, that's all y'all talk about and this and that. I'm like, oi bye. But he actually had met her. She has a pop-up shop right now going on at a local mall. And he had actually met her. He said that she was like busy and everything like that. And he was like how like his wife is like a huge fan of her stuff. But I also have the cosmetic pouch right here. I get complimented a lot on this color. Everybody says how much they like the color. I've been complimented on it. And in here I have my gray jumbo wallet. Got this when it was like 50% off. I really like it. It is like super duper spacious, and you can put all your cards in here, you know, receipts, notes. You could put your pen in here, of course coins. It's just super duper spacious. I have my bag organizer in here. I got a bunch of random stuff in here, but that's what I'm carrying right now. And I also want to show you guys my large luggage right here. I bought this. I had bought this for a trip, for the Atlanta trip last year. It did not come in time. I was so mad. I think it had came when we were on vacation. And I have the cover on it right now to help prevent like scratching and stuff like that. But I was able to take it on our road trip this summer. It says travel like a G on the front. And then it says Glamaholic Lifestyle on the back. Don't really feel like opening it, but it's really nice. You know, it's a hard case. It's real durable. It comes in 4 different sizes. I want to get like the little baby round one because it is super duper cute. Lastly, I'm pretty sure the second and last item, you guys. I got this for my birthday this year. I got the Letterman jacket or the varsity jacket. Really nice, good quality. It's fully lined and quilted. It's true to size. You know, if you're between sizes, I would size up. But I got it in my regular size. I would put it on, but you know, don't really feel like it. But it does fit true to size, you guys. The arms can be a little tight because it has like that quilted, you know, lining throughout. So just want to give you a heads up, like if your arms are like on the larger side, you may want to size up, but the body is pretty spacious. And I picked up the mini platinum monogram flap bag. I picked this up during her Black Friday sale. It was 50% off, and I believe that she had ran it back for Christmas, and I think that it had just ended. But I had to pick this up, and I picked my mom up the medium size for Christmas as her Christmas gift. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing, y'all. Okay, all right, here we go. Finally, it is time to unbox the newest addition to the Glamaholic Lifestyle collection. I am excited about this because I love the look of it. It's kind of giving like executive. It's giving like executive grown woman. I like the look of it. You know, I'm not like a big purse kind of person. I'm not like a large purse, but something about it was like, you know, I gotta have this. Oh my God, it's like in here real good. Not me struggling. There you go. Okay. Now I got another box to get through. You notice she wants to make sure that nothing happens to it in transit, so I appreciate all of the extra care that she puts in her products. We appreciate that. Ooh-wee. Here we go. Thumbnail. Let me get a thumbnail right quick. I don't know if my camera will be overheating, but here she is. Woo, pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh. I feel like it's Christmas again, y'all. This is the inside. It's got like a divider in the middle. I love it. That's cute. It's giving. It's super duper giving. I love it so much, you guys. Love the size. Here's a large and here's a mini for size comparison. Sorry, I got it kind of mashed up. I took everything out, but this is what, ooh, I can't even, this is what the large and the mini look like, size comparison for you all. But I love it so much. Oh yeah, and it's got like a pocket in the back, and I believe you can unzip it and put it on the luggage. Let me see if I can do that for you guys real quick. I'm like a hot mess right now. But she designed it so that it can just, ooh, let me do it like this. Did I unzip it? Okay, there it goes. So we can just, oh, this stuff in front of me. It can just go down on the luggage like that. I don't want to yank it, but what it looks like is a crossbody. I don't know if I would ever wear it like a crossbody, but super duper cute on. I love it. I'm happy with this purchase. But this is definitely giving, you guys. I just ran and grabbed my work laptop real quick, and I don't know the size, y'all. I want to say that it's pretty big. I want to see if it fits really quick. Oh, it don't. So this is probably like a 17-inch. I don't know what size laptop this is, but it doesn't fit. I just want to throw that out here. If I find a size later, I'll put it in. But this is like a Lenovo laptop, and it's just a little bit too big, and I just wanted to just try that on camera just to let you guys know that the large flat bag doesn't fit my work laptop. Hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I am a true glamaholic. If you're a glamaholic and you're watching this video, let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you own any of her items, and until next time, y'all, take care.